Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. So this is when my dad was staying with me and we had Christmas. The background is basil cardstock. Alright, so that color stripe pattern is from Hit Kit Club's Wish Season, Holly Jolly. And that's the current kit for November. I used pink basil cardstock to make the border. The blue and white pattern is Hit Kit Club's Wish Season as well. The photo mat is from the 2020 kit. Oh, it's really windy out. All the windows open because our AC, everything decides to go at once. My car AC quit, so we had to spend money on that. And then our dishwasher went, so we got a new dishwasher. And then after the dishwasher went, then our AC compressor went. And I'm sorry, but I don't have $3,000 to fix the AC because I just spent $800 on a dishwasher. Hello? Oh my gosh. When it rains, it pours, you know? It's like, oh my gosh, really? It's like, why? But anyway. It's alright, because the nights are cool, so we open up the windows, like I do right now. I have all the windows open, and so it's cool at night, and in the morning it's freezing cold inside, and then when it starts to warm up, we shut all the windows, all the blinds, and it stays cool. And then repeat until we can get that fixed. You know, wonderful. I'm not gonna go into all the other stuff with the fact that we're waiting on child support and it's going on 3 years or 4 years. I've even lost count now. I think this is 2018, 2000. See, we're filed for child support 2018. for 2019, 2020, 2000. Oh, we're going on 4 years. Yep, we're going on 4 years. And not to mention the lawyer bill. And she's like $70,000 behind. And doesn't want to have to pay. So, yeah. Let's not go there. Let's not support our child. Sorry. Alright, so anyway. So that card is from past kit. I mean, it's from 2020, so I don't know what kit it come from. It's not a current. This is the cardstock, I believe, I used to cut the border from. There we go. Voila. So I decided to use, it's kind of like more like a stamp border, like you would see on a postage stamp. But that's what I use. Sorry, those are the controllers. The controllers you see on video are their training collars that vibrate. So when they go outside their borders, I vibrate them. And of course, these videos are before my husband let them out and lost them, because he just lost them. What is this? 5th? So 3 days ago. So it was March 2nd that they ended up at the pound at the animal shelter. Right, boys? I'm like so happy to have them back. So I can't tell you. I just keep looking at them and thinking how I cannot believe that we found them. Well, actually, a coworker found them for us. She found them on Leesburg Word of Mouth. So I'm so happy. Yes, Mama's so happy. Yeah, Mama's so happy. Even though you pain in my butt. Let me take off your colors because it's too dark to go outside now. So come on. Yeah. Come on. Come here, baby. Let me take these off. Let's go. There you go. No more training collars on for you. Yeah, no more training collars on for you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you, Jax. I love you. He's all up in my face. Yes, Mama love you. I'm so glad we found you, because I was so sad. Oh, anyway. So I am Merry Christmas, which isn't on there yet, is Wish Season chipboard stickers. The tag, the pink tag that you see there, is keeping, Gib, no, it's keeping it cozy. From a past kit. Die cuts are Here Kit Comes Wish Season. Except for, I think, those stars. There's the Merry Christmas. I guess I got the hiccups. Die codes are from past kits. And the puffy stickers are Merry Everything. So puffy stickers are the presents and 25. And the holly leaf, I think. Alright. And that is all I do. I don't even do splatters or like black ink splatters to the layout or anything. This is literally all I do to the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.